All right, I got an epic tune for you here today. This is Paranoid Android by Radiohead. We're going to start out with this C minor shape, 5-4-3. We're going to go. And then we're going to come over here to this 2 and have this little 3 and 4 be reconfigured. So we had those before, but we got to move them around like that. So we got. So we got that big 3 there. So we got 5 in the bass, 2, big 3. Now we're going to go to the 2 here and do the chord there. Move that up to the 3 and hit the rest of the chord. So. Okay, that's our first part. Let's do that one more time. So you have to figure those fingers out. You get the 2 here, 3 down here, 4 here. And then you can just keep those there and move that one. Now we have a new shape. We're going to have like a G minor. So we have the 3 and the 3 and the G string and the B. We have a big 5 here. We're going to go. And you can pick this a variety of ways. So what I have there is big 5 twice, 3 on the second, 3 on the third, back to the 5. So and then we're going to go 2 to the 3s, 3 to the 3s. Then we have this chord here, 2, 3, 3. We're going to go. So it's like 3 to the 2 on that third string. So it moves the 3 out of the way. Ding, dee, 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 da, dum, dee, da, dum, dum, dum. So we end up with the 2 open and 3. So it's a 3 on the third string to a 2 to an open. And it's like a. And then we go back to this 5 thing. Okay, so that whole thing one more time, that G. 2 to the 3, and then the chord. And then we're back to the verse. This. Okay, then you're like second half of the verse. Now at that point we're into the chorus. Okay, so what we have there is we're going to have the pinky there on the second string, 3rd fret. It makes it really easy to go through all the other changes. So we have open on the G, and then 3, little open, back to 3 there. So we got, and then we're going to put in a 3 here on the 3rd string. And we're going to go all the way to that 3 at the end of that. So we got. Now we're going to jump this finger up to the big 3. Put a 2 in here. And then jump this 2 up. So let's take that nice and slow from the beginning. We have O, 3, O. Put in this 3 here. And go all the way to that 3. And then jump it up. Put this 2 in here with the middle finger there on the 2nd fret. So we got 2. We go all the way to that 2 at the end. Then we jump the 2 up. Put a 1 in here on the G string, 3rd string. Then we start it again. We do that one again. And then we're into a new verse. Okay, but let's go through that chorus again. So we had O3, so O3, 3, 3, O, 3, 3, big 3, 3, O, 3, 2, big 2, 1. Let me start again with the open. 3, big 3, 2, big 2, 1. We'll do that one again. E7. Okay, and then we're into a verse. Okay, so let's break all that down again, so nice and slow. And switch to the G minor. So it's helpful to have those in place. Kind of just switch these and then. So we get into that next verse. We do this G minor again. Then verse. What happens is when you do that second time through of this G minor part, you don't do it twice. You just move on ahead to the chorus, which has the open 3 open. So this last time of that verse thing, it'd be like. Chorus. To the G minor again. We do that one twice. E7. And then we have the new breakdown. Two on the G string. We have 2, 2, 2, 1 on the second string and back. 2, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2. That's your basic kind of thing there. Okay, but there are some changes, some variations to this right here. So we have 1, 3. Now the second time. So that has a bit of 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1. So it's double 1 right there. Okay, then this next one is just like the first one. Now the third one is kind of like the second one with a note left out. Okay, so that one just didn't double hit that 1 right there. Okay, so this whole section again. Okay, then we're going to come to the C chord. So we have down, down, up, down, up. And we're going to have up, up, down, bump. So that's an A flat to a B flat, or a G sharp to an A sharp. So we have C, down, down, up, down, up. Up, up, down, 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 up, down, up. Okay, so at the end of that we have 5, 4, 3, 1. So let's look at all that. We have down, down, up, down, up, 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 down, down. So what happens in this is a 7/8 piece. So there's only 7 beats in this phrase. 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2. See that? So 2, 3, 4. So we do this 3 times. And then we go ba-dum, bum, bum. So 5, 4, 3, 1, and that's all the 3 top strings. That's why this shape is so important with to be able to do that with one finger, the various fingers and stuff. So let's look at this again. We got C, 2, 3. Actually, we should count it with a 7, right? So it'd be like 5, 6, 7. 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2. Here's the last one. Dum-dum-dum. Okay, so really what happens there is we go back into this bridge. But it's this simple one just repeated 4 times. So 2, 3, 4. Have that chord thing. I'll give you a 7 count. So 5, 6, 7. 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2. Here we go. And dum dum dum. So you keep doing that 4 times. Chords. Okay, so you end up doing that like 3 times through, and then at the end of that, you're gonna have F, hold that F. And now your last part of the song is so let's look at that strum. There's a whole lot of chords. I'll call them out as we go. The chords you're gonna be looking at is C minor, 5, 5, 4, 3. You can do it G, easy G. B flat will be those 3s. A will be the 2s. You got D minor back to A, D minor, you can have D minor 7, which is 0, 2, 1, 1. B flat is the 3s, F, G minor, F again, you can have E7, and then we're going to do E7 sus, which should be like 2, 2, 3 open back to E7. Then we're going to have A sus, back to A. That's all the chords you'll need. So let's look at this, we're going to have C minor, we're going to go, our strum is, let's try that. 2, 3, and. Okay, so easy strum. I'll call out the chords. It's gonna go C minor to G to start with. 2, 3, and. G. B flat coming up. A. D minor. A. D minor. D minor 7. B flat. F, G minor, back to F, E7, E7 sus, back to E7, A sus, back to A. Back to the top, C minor, 3, 4, G, B flat, A, D minor, A, D minor, D minor 7, B flat, F, G minor, F, E7, sus and back, and A, sus and back. Back to C minor, G, B flat, A, D minor, A, D minor 7, B flat, F. Let's say this is the last time. G minor, F. We're gonna go E7. We're gonna do that sus thing. Stay on the E7. Sus thing again. And then we have the riff. 4 times again. Then you got that 7, 8 thing with the chords with the C. So we got 5, 6, 7. Down and. Four times. Chords. All right. right, Paranoid Android by Radiohead. Thanks a lot for watching. There'll be a tab with this. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll talk to you all soon. Peace.